Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at the weather pattern, not really a whole lot has changed yet. As we are looking at upper level high pressure still centered over the Gulf into the Atlantic. We also have another disturbance which is now approaching the Pacific Northwest. This is going to be the disturbance which pushes through our second front, which is on the way here for probably Friday night. And I'll talk about what we can expect with that front, especially behind it, coming up here in just a bit. But in the meantime, tonight we do have a first front which is going to ease its way through the region. And ahead of the front tonight, we will see showers and thunderstorms, which are already beginning to develop as it moves into the northern sections of the area this Wednesday afternoon. That activity will gradually shift to the south. But you can see temperatures ranging from the upper 40s north to the upper 50s, low 60s across the southern sections of the area for nighttime lows. And then temperatures tomorrow, actually, most locations should be fairly steady, if not falling, during the course of the day. By the time we get to sunset, should be in the upper 40s, and Texarkana should be in the low 50s as far as Shreveport is concerned. So tomorrow definitely looking much cooler than today. Here's a look at Robin's started Futurecast. You can see as we go through this Wednesday afternoon, a few rumbles of thunder possible across the northern sections of the area. Futurecast indicating a flare-up of a few scattered thunderstorms here during the night tonight. That activity, risk of severe weather looking very low at this point. If we have any issues, it would be with wind, maybe just a little bit of hail in spots. That activity will kind of wind down as we go through Thursday morning, as we're looking at some leftover rain during the day Thursday, and basically just light rain and drizzle as we go through Thursday night into Friday morning. And most of Friday, actually, as you can see here with Futurecast, looking relatively dry across the Ark-La-Tex as we await the next front, which is going to be moving in. Most of this rain will occur ahead of that second front, but you can see that rain will gradually shift through the region as we move through the nighttime hours Friday night. So most of the rain with the second front will occur Friday night. Might have some leftover rain Saturday morning for the southeast half of the area, basically from Shreveport and Point southeast. That should wrap up during the morning, and then we'll close Saturday with a little bit of a decrease in the clouds. A few peaks of afternoon sunshine will be possible for Saturday. We'll see the rest of the clouds move out Saturday night, and you can see the north to northeasterly wind. That's going to be rather breezy for Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures Saturday not too bad, maybe falling a bit in the afternoon. Will be much cooler for Sunday and the first part of next week, as you'll see in the 7-day forecast here in a second. And again, Sunday, we are looking at the return of lots of sunshine. As far as rainfall potential, generally speaking, right around an inch. Some of you might see as little as a ½ an inch. Some of you could see 1.5 inches. That's what we're kind of looking at, and those amounts could occur anywhere. Again, don't zero too much on what Futurecast is indicating. Just generally speaking, right around an inch, give or take a ½ an inch or so, is what we're kind of looking at here, with much of that rain falling later on tonight, and then again as we look ahead to Friday night into Saturday morning. Here's a look at that disturbance over the Pacific Northwest, gradually moving across the country. It'll give us that chance for the rain, again, mainly Friday night. It'll slide its way towards the east, and a pretty good trough tries to develop here across the eastern half of the country. And you can see as that trough settles in, we will cool down, and we'll see our next chance of rain likely hold off until the middle part of next week. So, that being said, here's a look at what to expect in the next week, temperature-wise, as your 7-day forecast for Shreveport does show that 54 as you wake up, low 50s as you head home, low 60s for daytime highs with lots of clouds for Friday. Rainfall not very widespread for Friday. Most of the rain will occur Friday night and should wrap up Saturday. Again, that thunder that I have there for Saturday will probably be Friday night after midnight for much of the area. Most of Saturday is looking dry for most of the area. Sunshine returns for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then we'll see another possibility for some rain as soon as next Wednesday, but other models showing that the rain may hold off until Wednesday night and Thursday of next week. And you can see the cool down in temperatures, highs mainly settling into the 40s and 50s, lows will settle into the upper 20s to low 30s in Shreveport. In Texarkana, we're looking at, again, 48 tomorrow as you head home, 58 for the high Friday, 57 Saturday, and then we'll eventually settle into the mid to upper 40s for highs for the first half of next week. Nighttime lows also will dip into the 20s and 30s with another slight chance of rain as soon as Wednesday, but perhaps the best chance holding off until Wednesday night and Thursday of next week. So on and on, we'll be watching two cold fronts during the next couple of days, the first of which moves in tonight through tomorrow morning, giving us a few thunderstorms, and a second cold front will move through Friday night with another chance for some showers and a few thunderstorms. In both cases, severe weather risk looking very low, as we're looking at the potential of an inch and a half of rain or so, and then we'll cool down as we close the weekend and head into next week.